Today I want to talk about these awesome sweatbands. The company did send this to me and did compensate me to make this review. It comes just like you see here, packaged really small. You can open these up and I'm going to show you what they look like. Now what's nice about these are all individually wrapped, as you can see here. So if you need one or two, whatever you need, you can use them in pairs. You can use them single, however you want to use these, depending on the sport you're playing, depending on what you're doing. But this is how they come. So they come shrink wrapped, but like this here, then they're individually wrapped, just like you see here. I actually took them out of the package. I took two out just to show you what they look like. So these are, again, these are nice sweatbands. These are 4-inch long, which is really nice to get a 6-pack, like I told you. A sweatbands for tennis, gymnastics, wristbands for any kind of sport you're playing, tennis, pickleball, whatever it may be. This is a fantastic thing. Football, doesn't really matter. Nice high quality. This is going to do a lot of absorption, especially when you're sweating and you're out there, really high quality. And you can see how thick this is. Let me just show you here the quality of that. Now it's on my wrist. You can see how it's on my wrist here. You can see that. So I'll get that 4-inch, and that's really good. There's a lot of space there for for the quality. It's 80% cotton, then 12% spandex, and 8% nylon. That is the material that it's made out of. Again, stretchy. You can see how stretchy it is. Super soft. They are washable and dryable, which is really nice. And you can just see the whole quality, and they just fit. Let me just show you how I put them on my wrist here, just like that there. You just stretch them right on. Now, another thing you can do these too, if you're doing your makeup, if you're washing your face at night and you need something like this is also an awesome product for that as well. So it dries nice and quickly. Actually, just let it air dry if you want to, and you can see how it fits on my wrist. So you can just see the really soft and smooth. It's not going to affect your playing when you're out there doing the sports and things like that. It's really important. 4-inch by 3.15 inches, and it's 10 by 8 centimeters. That's the actual size as well. Again, super made, super quality, comfort, cotton. Many widely applications. You can do whatever activity you're doing, biking, hiking, cycling, running. It doesn't really matter. Sometimes when you're sweating, you need something to help absorb that sweat, and that's what these are for. Exactly what they're designed for. So I'm definitely going to highly recommend these. They're exactly as they said. They have different colors available, so check out their site. Tons of different colors, high quality products. You get 3 pairs in this set here, and so you always have extra. It's super important when you're running, and you have extras. So if you want to run in the morning, and then the afternoon you want to run again, you don't have to worry about them drying. You can use another set, and that's what I have. So definitely going to go ahead and recommend these. You can see how they fit. Lots of stretch, lots of room, and they feel really comfortable and really nice. So that's the quality. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow, like, and share the channel. We do all types of reviews just like this here to help you make decisions when you're shopping. Appreciate your time as always, and make it a great day.